Hello, my friends. I'm excited to share these products with you today. And one of them goes really, really well with this month's club set. So if you are like me and you're just like, I need more, guess what? I have one more for you. I couldn't fit it in the main collection, so now it's an add-on. Here we go. It is the Liberty Bell Fold It. And I had so much fun with this one, especially because, can I just tell you, I got to see the real Liberty Bell in the real life, everything. And when I was a little kid, I got to even touch it. I don't think you're allowed to touch it anymore. But look at how fun this is. Now, I did add in some extra pieces so you don't have to die cut 1,000 times for all those little extra pieces. And this, okay, here we go. Let's just look at the sample because this explains it all. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that amazing? Now, if you're not necessarily into the browns, here we go. Red, white, and blue. This one's perfect for the military thanks stamp set. That's so popular. But look at that. Can you imagine sending that to a service member, especially somebody that's overseas? Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Max, we love you. So much fun. Now, here we go. Gift Edge Fold It. I'm sorry. Gift Edge A2 card base. Now, we've been doing a couple of these and they usually fly out the door. So get this one now before it goes. I have so much fun with these. What I like to do also is, ironically, hip hip hooray. And if I say, and you don't know what I mean, this might be a sneak peek for something. Let's see. It's your birthday. Your friendship is a gift. How sweet is that? Hip, hip, hooray. I also give you the present separately so you can add it on there. Lots of awesome samples. And for the men in our lives that we want to celebrate, we have, by popular request, a tie Fold It. Now, this is a slimline, meaning it's going to fit in a business-sized envelope. But it has that fun, it has that fun argyle pattern to it. But that is optional. You don't have to use that argyle pattern if you don't want to. Now, let's look at all of our samples because we have lots. So here's that cute one. Your friendship is a gift. Look at that. I love that. And it comes with the layering die to do that piece as well. Oh, look at this. Hip, hip, hooray. So fun. That edge is just so different, you guys, and I love it. It just adds more personality to your cards. Here's another one. Ooh, look at that with the fun pastels. So pretty. Oh, it says eat up. I love it. Now, or take those cakes and do something totally different. Don't even do an A2 card. Add it to right here. Look at that. That's a mini slimline. I love it. Or add those cakes to an A2 card base. So it's not just an edge base card, right? It is so much more. You can use just the cake by itself if you want to. Or you could do just two presents by themselves. Look how cute that is. Now here's that edge again. And when you change the colors, it is so fun. When you change the colors, look at the difference. Look at how you're getting that different look. Or when you add in a dark card, look at that. Look at the dark cardstock, so fun. And last but not least, add some hologram cardstock in there. You are going to be the talk of the town. There's a cute little present on the inside. Now let's look at some more of the Liberty Bells, which are so fun. Now, this is showing your patriotism. Look at that. I love these. They're so fun. They're so easy too, right? Now look at this one with our cute little squirrel. Our cute little squirrel. I love them. But look, so different, right? Each and every one can be so different. Oh, add your gold foil. Add your gold foil. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Let freedom ring. Here's another one. Let freedom ring. I love that with the black because it's like a shadow. Now let's look at some ties. So here is an everyday tie, right? Look at that shaped card. Or you can do it on a slimline card base. Here's another one on a slimline card base. So fun. Here it is by itself. I love it with that dark color. Here it is. Ooh, it's like a real little, it's like a shirt. It's like a shirt. It's like a suit. I love that. Isn't that cute? And here's another one, Coolest Dad. Now I do want to show you on this die really quick because I said this and I want to make sure you understand because I have a feeling the design team did not get this one. So the pattern itself is separate. The design team had to use the pattern because I made on their prototype. they only had that option. But I separated these two dies and the top part also. I separated those so you don't have to use the argyle, okay? You could just use a pattern paper. The design team didn't get that option, but you do. I'll have to get these to them also. Now, my friends, the first 24 hours or until sold out, these items are on flash sale. Then after the flash sale, they go to our regular everyday low price. However, club members every single day, every single item, every single order get a 15% or 20% discount off of everything. Well, does that include fabric boxes? Yes. Does that include magnets? Yes. Does that include the organized option items? Yes. Does that include kangaroo pockets? Yes. Inks? Yes. Adhesives? Yes. Cardstocks? Yes. Everything. There's no little asterisk saying does not include this, does not include that. No, no, no. Everything. It's a sale every single day. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch the video. It'll explain everything. The monthly commitment on any of our clubs is only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel it anytime, but we have a feeling you won't want to. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.